There's something magical about stepping off a ship and into a place that feels like stepping back in time. Imagine cobblestone streets lined with medieval towers, spires reaching high, and cozy cafes with secrets in every corner. Have you ever wanted to explore a place where the modern world meets the charm of centuries-old history? That's Tallinn. And if your cruise ship is docking here, you're in for an unforgettable adventure. This guide is designed to help you discover Tallinn's best sights, tastes, and hidden gems without missing a beat. Quick overview of Tallinn Cruise Port. As you arrive at Tallinn's old city harbour, you'll notice it's more than just a port. It's like an open invitation to explore. The terminal here isn't only a waiting area, it's a warm welcome to Estonia's heart. You've got free Wi-Fi to check maps and upload those first pictures, and if you need a quick snack or a souvenir, the cafes and shops here have you covered. There's even a tourist information centre where you can get the latest updates, maps, and tips to make the most of your stay. So, whether you want to know about special events, seasonal highlights, or the best route to your next stop, they've got all the insider knowledge. If you're travelling light, luggage storage services are also available, so you don't have to drag bags around while you explore. Ready to start? Getting from the port to Tallinn's highlights. The best part about docking at Tallinn's port? The city's highlights are practically on your doorstep. If you enjoy stretching your legs, the old town is just a short 15 to 20-minute walk away. Picture this. As you make your way, you're greeted by views of the sea on one side and the fairy tale-like skyline of Tallinn on the other. It's a walk that truly sets the tone for your day. If walking isn't for you, don't worry. Trams and buses stop close to the terminal, ready to whisk you into the heart of Tallinn. Fares are affordable and the ride is quick. Just remember to have a few euros on hand. If you prefer a more private ride, taxis and rideshares are available at the port. Official taxis are safe, reliable, and should cost around 10 euros to get you to the old town. Quick, easy, and straight to the heart of Tallinn. Top attractions. Near the port. Tallinn's old town is like a treasure chest of medieval charm waiting to be explored. Start by wandering through its narrow streets. Each one seems to have its own personality and story to tell. You'll find that Tallinn's old town is one of the best preserved medieval areas in Europe, with colourful buildings, old merchant houses, and hidden alleyways that seem like they've been waiting centuries just for you to stumble upon them. Don't miss Pick Street, one of the main roads that leads you past Gothic-style buildings, small antique shops, and cosy cafes. And if you're in the mood for a unique souvenir, St. Catherine's Passage is a must-see. This narrow lane is lined with artists' workshops where you can watch craftspeople at work and even pick up a handmade piece to remember your trip. Just a short walk from the centre of Old Town lies Toompi Hill, one of the best spots for panoramic views of the city. It's a bit of a climb, but when you reach the top, you're rewarded with breathtaking views. On Toompea Hill, you'll find Toompea Castle, a pink fortress that's the seat of Estonia's parliament, along with the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, an Orthodox church that stands out with its impressive onion domes. This area is rich in history, with each building telling stories from Tallinn's past, and it's truly worth spending some time here to soak it all in. Not far from here, St. Olaf's Church awaits. This tall, spire-topped building has quite a reputation. Back in the day, it was the tallest structure in the world. Climb up to the observation deck, and you'll be rewarded with one of the best views of Tallinn, perfect for a photo or just a quiet moment to take it all in. And if you're curious about Tallinn's defences, head to Kekindikirk and the Bastion Passages Museum. This unique spot takes you into the old fortifications and even underground. The Bastion Passages are a series of tunnels once used to defend the city, and walking through them gives you a feeling of stepping back into Tallinn's storied past. A short distance from the port, Kadriorg Palace and Park offers a delightful escape. This Baroque palace, commissioned by Tsar Peter the Great, houses the Kadriorg Art Museum, which showcases European and Russian art. The palace grounds are surrounded by Kadriorg Park, a beautifully landscaped area with fountains, flower beds, and ponds, making it perfect for a peaceful stroll. For maritime enthusiasts, The seaplane harbour, Lennus Adam, offers an interactive experience inside a historic seaplane hangar. The museum features unique exhibits like the 1936 submarine Lembit, an icebreaker, and seaplanes. With engaging displays and hands-on activities, it's a fascinating spot for visitors of all ages. At the heart of the Old Town, Town Hall Square, Rekorja Platz, has been a central gathering place since medieval times. Surrounded by vibrant merchant houses, it hosts lively markets, festivals, and open-air concerts throughout the year. The square is also home to the Gothic-style Tallinn Town Hall and the historic Town Hall Pharmacy, one of the oldest pharmacies still operating in Europe. As you enter the Old Town through the Viru Gate, you're greeted by two ivy-covered towers dating back to the 14th century. Passing through these gates feels like stepping into a fairy tale, with bustling Viru Street leading you into the heart of the city, lined with shops, cafes, and flower stalls. With these attractions, Tallinn's Old Town and surrounding sites offer an unforgettable mix of history, charm, and scenic beauty, making it an ideal port destination for both the curious explorer and the casual visitor. Local dining and shopping tips. Now, what's travel without a taste of local flavors? Tallinn offers a unique culinary experience that blends traditional Estonian flavors with a modern twist. If you're looking to try something truly Estonian, head to Olde Hansa in the Old Town. This medieval-themed restaurant serves up wild game, mulled wine, and other dishes that feel like they're straight out of a 15th century banquet. And for those on a tight schedule, many cafes in the Old Town offer quick bites that are perfect for taking on the go. Rye bread sandwiches, hearty pastries, and local treats make for an ideal quick meal. If you're shopping for souvenirs, Balti Jam Market is the place to go. Close to the port, this market combines fresh produce, handmade crafts, and vintage treasures in one spot. You'll find local items like woolen scarves, carved wooden crafts, and even Estonian ceramics that are perfect for a meaningful keepsake. And don't forget to stop by Majasmok Cafe for some marzipan, an Estonian favourite. This sweet treat is as much a part of the local culture as the Old Town itself. Tips for a smooth visit. To make your Tallinn experience as smooth as possible, here are a few insider tips. First, timing is key. Tallinn's Old Town can get pretty crowded, especially during the summer. If you're here during peak season, it's a good idea to start early. Early mornings are your best bet for enjoying popular spots like Toompi Hill and St. Olaf's Church without the crowds. On the practical side, Estonia uses the euro, and most places accept credit cards even for small purchases. So you don't need to carry a lot of cash, but having a few euros on hand can be helpful, especially at smaller shops or market stalls. Tallinn is generally very safe, but like in any busy tourist spot, it's always wise to keep an eye on your belongings. The city is easy to navigate and crime rates are low, but a little caution never hurts, especially in crowded areas like the Old Town. And if you're lucky enough to visit during a festival or special event, don't miss it. Tallinn's Christmas market is legendary, filling Town Hall Square with twinkling lights, a giant Christmas tree, and local crafts. And if you're here in the summer, there might be a festival or open-air concert happening. It's a fantastic way to experience Tallinn's lively culture. So check in with the Tourist Info Centre at the port for any current happenings. Tallinn isn't just another stop on your cruise. It's a journey back in time, with each street and building telling a story of a city that embraces both its history and its future. From the charm of the Old Town, the breathtaking views from Toompi Hill, to the delicious flavours that await at every turn, Tallinn is more than a destination. It's a feeling, a memory in the making. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. In the video description, you'll find links to our recommended local tours, where you can save up to 50% on tours compared to booking via your cruise ship. Plus, a special thank you gift for our loyal viewers. A free copy of our book, The Cruiser's Guide to Affordable Port Day Excursions. Simply follow the link in the description to download your free copy. Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure.